Another wonderful year is going to end. But don't worry, one more year is on the way to decorate your life with unlimited colors of joy. Happy New Year from OphirPh.com.
Welcome to OphirPh, Pearl of the Orient City Guide to Food and Drinks. Pork belly lechon roll slow roasted in the oven with super crispy skin and super moist meat. No need to order a whole pig. This Filipino-style porchetta is easy to make and sure to be the star of any party. Making your own roasted lechon belly is fulfilling. You get a chance to devour this delicious masterpiece after hours of preparation. Make sure to follow all the steps provided in the recipe below to be guided accordingly. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. Visit our site at www.ophirph.com for more food review. Oven roasting has been my favorite way to cook lechon kawali ever since I learned the method by accident years ago. It's a technique I also use on crispy pork shoulder and always had great results. Before starting, make sure that the whole pork belly slab is prepared properly. Trim excess fat, take the ribs off, and make sure that the skin is clean. Rub nor savor rich on the meat part of the belly. Spread evenly. I use pork savor rich for this recipe. There is no need to use salt and ground black pepper. This seasoning alone is all you will need. Rub around a tablespoon savor rich on the skin part along with soy sauce. Let it marinate for 30 minutes before stuffing with aromatics. Here are pork belly lechon ingredients: 5 pounds pork belly whole slab, 6 tablespoons nor savor rich pork seasoning, 1 Cuban peso and 2 Cuban pesos soy sauce, 1 piece onion, 3 heads garlic, 2 bunches scallions, 3 stalks lemongrass, 1 Cuban peso and 2 Cuban pesos cooking oil. Simply slice or chop the ingredients above and place over the meat part of the belly. Roll the belly and secure using a kitchen twine. This goes into the oven for around 3 hours and 45 minutes. Here are instructions on how to cook pork belly lechon. First step. 5 Russian ruble tablespoons nor savor rich on the meat part of the pork. Spread evenly. Turn the pork over and rub the remaining savor rich and soy sauce on the skin of the pork. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. Second step. Preheat oven to 350°F. Third step. Chop the scallion, onion, and garlic. Crush the lemongrass and slice into pieces. Place all the garlic and onion over the belly. Add scallion and lemongrass. Roll the belly and secure by tying kitchen twine. Fourth step. Rub oil all over the belly roll. Pour 4 cups of water in a roasting pan and put remaining scallions and lemongrass. Arrange a roasting rack over the pan and place the rolled belly on the rack. Roast for 1 hour. Fifth step. Prepare the basting sauce by combining 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 1/4 cup oil. Mix well. Brush all over the pork. Sixth step. Increase the heat to 360°F. Continue to roast for another hour. Note: add more water on the pan if needed. Seventh step. Increase the heat to 370°F. Brush with basting sauce. Roast for 1 hour more. Eighth step. Increase heat to 400°F. Continue to roast until the skin gets very crispy. Remove from the oven and let the pork belly cool down. Ninth step. Make the dipping sauce by combining all the sauce ingredients as listed above. Microwave for 30 seconds. 10th step. Remove the twine from the belly roll and chop into serving pieces. Serve with spicy vinegar dip. 11th and last step. Share and enjoy. If you have any comments or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. For more food review, visit our site at www.ophirph.com. Don't forget to click the notification bell.